Setting up video conference calls on the 3CX web client. Navigate to the Web Meeting tab. Then, when prompted, add your participant's name and email address. Alternatively, copy the meeting link and send directly to the participants via the 3CX chat. It's as simple as that. The following video conference functions are available. Share your screen. Start a presentation. Use the whiteboard. Create a poll. And start a face-to-face meeting with colleagues or clients. This is all accessible without downloading any plugins. If you need to schedule a video conference, just navigate to the Schedule Conference tab in the 3CX web client. Select Video, add the relevant details such as the date and time, and then add the participant. An email will then be sent to the participant with conference details and a join-in link.